Hello guys, it's the Morons Cakes, and in today's video you're so lucky being here. I'll show you this 745i sound with a straight pipe all the way because of the cut-off valve installed right before the rear muffler. So we have a natural aspirated V8 and a supernatural V8 sound coming out from this beautiful 7 Series. Some people say that this will not be good because this is a 7 Series, but you have a remote control and you can choose whether it would be for stock sound or it would be a nasty V8 which you can rev when you want on a curvy road outside the city or in the city. And that's it. Let's go and I'll show you. Okay, this is the remote control. It's already installed here on my key. It's already on position. Let's fire up the car. Oh, beautiful. You feel the car much more special by having such sound. Okay, let's rev it here inside. Beautiful. This is a music for my eyes, a classical music for my eyes. I know you petrol guys, you think too. Listen to that. I'm addicted to this. Listen on idle. Like an old American V8. Okay, let's show you the sound outside. I've chosen somewhere place outside of the city so we can have a pure experience. Okay, I'll rev it for you. beautiful sound, huh? So amazing. I got addicted. I think I can blow my engine whole day doing this. It's so fucking amazing. I can tell you guys that every V8 should, every petrol head having V8 should have this sound. It's very nice. It's so natural. It's so heart touching actually. You petrol guys will know what I'm talking about. So here is very bad road and I cannot make a start, but I'll turn the car in the other direction and get some move to show you outside when I start. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, just listen and enjoy this beautiful 7 Series mothership start. Guys, you enjoy it, right? Yeah, me too. Enjoying all the time on these beautiful rainy roads. And so you heard it, it's so nice. Stay tuned for more videos, watch our other videos, watch installing this cutting valve video and driving videos. Thank you guys. I love my 7 Series and I'll drive it now. Bye. Stay tuned and stay healthy, of course.